I haven't had a sale this high in such a long time that I'm just thrilled. It's got Pyrex flask, 6 each in case. Flask. Oh, it says flask, right? 100 ml flask. They're $54.20. Will you hold it box for me, please? Let me take a look inside. There's 6 of them. Hey, they're not broken. Let's get these. Give them a chance. Give them a try.
Let's take a look at each one of them.
What do I have here? Something very unusual. And I have 6 of them. A glass Pyrex flask. And it says on it, 100 ml. Has a number, I don't know if you can see it, 5420. So why did I buy these? I think they're gonna be a little bit delicate to package. There are 6 of them in here. At least it comes with dividers and everything. So how did I know to even research this? Why? First of all, I paid $3.99. And guess what? It tells me on the side everything I need to know. It has all the information, what it is, the model number, everything I needed to research it while in the store. So let's go on eBay and see what these are worth. What's your guess? The first thing I found was an active listing for 6 of these same exact things for $60 plus shipping. You know, it does say stopper on there. Do I have a stopper? I might be missing the stoppers. I haven't taken everything out yet, so I'll have to look in the bottom of the box. Let's see if there's any solds. Let's go to filter, scroll down, choose sold. It shows 1 result. This is a different shape. This is a box of 4 and it sold for $75. It's a different shape. I'm not sure if I'm going to find the same exact thing. I see other numbers, but they're kind of holding their own. They're going for decent money in various shapes. Even though I couldn't find a sold comp, I decided to get these and take a chance on it. I sold a box of 6 of these Pyrex flasks. Yeah, $150 for 6 of these. There's kind of a shortage of these out there right now. I did run comps while I was at the Goodwill, and I knew they were worth some money, but when I got home and researched them a little more, especially checking out the scientific websites, thanks to my husband Mark, who helped me with that, because he used to teach in that field. Yes, worth quite a bit of money. My best sale in a long time. Love it. This is by far the most fragile thing that I've ever packed to ship. 6 glass flasks. And you can see they move around a little bit in here, and I've got to prevent that from happening. Not sure how I'm going to do this yet. I'm not sure how much filler I can put in here. I think I'll do one at a time. Bubble wrap or tissue paper or both. Let's try this. Let's try a half sheet of tissue paper. Wrap that around and maybe twist it around and then roll it in the bubble wrap. I don't know if these will fit back in the box. Some masking tape. Let's fold this, fold it up, some more masking tape, and a little more on top. Will this fit in the box? I don't know. I don't know if it will. I don't think so. If I can't fit one, I'm not going to be able to have 6 of them like this. Let's try plan B. Let's unwrap this. You know, I could flatten the box. I could ship the box, but wrap each one of these separately. Yes, it has dividers. I'm beginning to question whether I should just wrap each one individually. What would you do? I need some help here because I'm not quite sure. Seems like the easy way out is to just leave them like this and put some bubble wrap around here, but these move far too much. Can you hear it? Destined to be broken. Maybe I'll trust my gut and go ahead and bubble wrap each one individually. Tissue paper, small bubble wrap, large bubble wrap. Hold up the bottom. The top is a little bit exposed here. Don't like that. I thought I could get by with one sheet of bubble wrap, but I don't think so now. Let's do a half sheet. And let's do a quarter sheet to finish wrapping the top. One down, 5 to go. All 6 are wrapped. I'm going to take this box and I'm going to flatten it. I'm sending the box with this, and I'm going to flatten it and put it in a bigger box. The box was in the photo, so the box must go. I'm going to pull the dividers out, flatten the box, and I'm also going to separate these. And I'll include all of this in the bigger box. In fact, I think I'm going to put these inside. And I think I'm going to tape it just a little bit so it will stay flat. They can always untape this. So I know my box needs to be at least this big. I'm not really worried about that. I've got an idea. But let's see how much room these take up. If I put 3, oh, gotta watch that tape. I don't want it to catch on each other. I'm going to alternate these. I'm going to make sure that tape is pressed down as much as possible. This is the bottom, bottom, bottom. And then I'll plan on alternating that on top. Again, making sure the tape is packed down. In other words, I don't want the buyer to pick one of these up and the tape grabs another one. Basically, this is what I have. Let me check this. This is already 13 inches. I know a 12 by 12 by 8 will not work, but I have another idea. I'll be right back. This is an eBay box, and I think it's the largest eBay box I have, or maybe you can even get. 16 by 12 by 8, that doesn't exceed, although it does come to 36 inches. 16 plus 12 plus 8 is 36. I'm going to try this box. Let me get it assembled. Let's do a test fit. I'm going to put this in the bottom first. I actually think this is going to work pretty good. I need to add some more packing material. It's basically almost double boxed on the bottom because I have this extra box. But I'm going to add some more bubble wrap or air pillows. I have some of these. This might be too much. I'm not sure yet. Let's try this again. I have some room on all the sides, but I still have these two, and this is what I'm concerned about, is how high these are going to stick up. Yeah, I think that's a little too close for me, so I'm going to switch to large bubble wrap in the bottom. 3 pieces this direction, and 3 pieces the opposite direction. Starting to run out of room here. Let's try this again, alternating. Couple more. This is what I've got so far. 4 on the bottom and 2 on top. And my thank you note. I think they deserve a couple of thank you notes. What do you think? There's no perfect way to do this. Still going to be close at the top. And I need a bunch of air pillows in here. Need some down through the center, or at least 2. I need some in each corner. I'm putting them on the outside of the bubble wrap. You know, it's hard for you to see. So air pockets in each corner. I have 2 in the center here. I'm going to put 2 more in the center, and I need some here. I'm going to put 2. Maybe I'll put it on the outside of the bubble wrap. It's feeling pretty good. I still have room here. Let's put one here, one here. These little air packets are my new best friend. Let's fold this in. Let me show you again. I've got these air pockets pretty much everywhere. I wish I could have put them on the bottom, but that didn't quite work out. Another one here. Fold this in, and this, and it still feels pretty light, and I want to keep it as light as possible. I'm going to add some more bubble wrap on top. Maybe I have too many now. Yep, too many. How about this? You know, it's still building up too much. I'm going to roll this down. I'm going to roll this down. Add another piece. Kind of rolled up on the sides. I want something on top, but I'm not sure I want to add any more weight with cardboard. Although that's what I would like to add. Let's check it. This is pretty thin. Do you see how thin this is? This is just inner cardboard. Let's put that there and see what this weighs. I'm trying to remember what I estimated. I think I only estimated up to 2 pounds. Let me check this on the scale. It's over 2 pounds. It's going to North Carolina. Maybe I actually estimated 3. I'm going to look it up and see what I estimated on this. I am so happy that I estimated 3 pounds for this, because when I listed these, I had no thoughts of taking everything out of the box at that point, at that time of listing. So I estimated 3 pounds. I am good to go. Let me get this taped up. Make sure you press down your tape. And I'm going to add tape across the ends. This sale is going out to TB in North Carolina. I haven't had a sale this high in such a long time that I'm just thrilled. $150 sale plus shipping. As you know, Goodwill can't know everything. Simple sales for good profit.